Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. It's rare to see them topless. I'm talking about Dodge Challengers. They did not make many convertibles. This is one of about 176 made with the 340 motor. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to volocars.com and get all the specs, pricing, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. On our website, we have plenty of ways to contact us. We have a whole team of people here. Their job is to assist you in getting your dream car. So any questions, concerns, you need shipping, you need financing, let us know. We can help with all of that. That's all available at volocars.com. But right now, let's take this 71 Challenger for a spin. This car's got it going on. I personally sold this car in 1998, 20 years ago, to the current owner, 21 years ago. We just bought the car back from the same man. It is a loaded car. It is a numbers matching 340 torque flight trans, 355 sure grip rear end, power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning, bucket seats, console, sport mirrors, rally wheels, pop-up gas cap, trunk rack, the sport hood with the stripe, fender mounted turn signals. This thing is loaded. Power top. And we have the original fender tag, and it's all decoded. It was born a red car, so this is a really special piece right here. Black convertible top's in excellent shape. Pretty much the same restoration as when I sold it 20 years ago. Of course, he kept it in his garage, drove it to car shows. He did have the engine completely rebuilt. Legendary Race Engines, they're a very reputable company up here. Completely rebuilt the engine. I have the receipt. It was about $5,800, and we have all the specs for the motor rebuild. So it's a turnkey, get in and drive type of car. Shows really well. It was originally a Texas car, found its way to Oklahoma. That's where it was restored. Motor compartment's beautiful. He did put new coated headers. It is upgraded with an aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke. Alternator looks new. Everything looks proper. The radiator has the shroud, the right hose clamps on the hoses. The horns are there. Washer bottle, the master cylinder. Everything looks really nice, tidy, proper. The metal is all real nice. I don't see anything that's bent or twisted or filled up with caulk or fillers. It all looks clean. Bottom of the doors are clean. All the plastic is really nice. It's not scratched up. It's not brittle. The upholstery was all redone 20 years ago. Dash pad is mint. Visors are mint. Real nice console. Again, has the trunk rack. Nice tail panel. Has a nice red all-metal trunk. Has the jack in the proper spot. Has a spare tire that matches the rest of the tires and wheels. Weather strip is soft. We'll fire it up for you. Does have an aftermarket stereo. And I've seen two speakers behind the seat with massive magnets on there, so there must be some good speakers. That's all the music I need to hear. Again, a rebuilt motor, 355 posi rear end. Everything about the car is really nice looking. It's a very rare car, very desirable list, long list of options. Even the annoying key buzzer works. So there you have it. This is a rare opportunity to buy a rare car. And again, great colors, options, clean car, runs strong. You can visit volocars.com, get all the specs. I'll be listing all the specifics. There's pictures of the underside on our website. So go to volocars.com, check it out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're geared up to put out a whole bunch more videos this week. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.